of Dr. Pepper. This is pretty good as well. Dr. Shasta, I know there's Dr. Thunder and other doctors, but this has a really great cherry flavor to it. It's not as good as Dr. Pepper, but it'll do on a budget. And then I also have a big fridge here. Shasta Twist, which if you're a fan of Sprite or 7-Up, this is a good replacement as well. Still have that Shasta Tiki Punch here. And this is like a little mini tour of the fridge that looks a little empty now, which I'll be refilling it with probably Costco or some other things. This, don't worry, I think is French fries, which we'll, try to cook, the tonkatsu ramen, and if there's anything else here, it's just a potatoes O'Brien, and these southern diced potatoes with bell peppers, onions, green and red bell peppers for the O'Brien.